Welcome back, everybody. This is 25 Invested, and we are going to look at my portfolio this week, and more importantly, the companies that had earnings this week. So let's take a look. I am currently all-time up 5% on this. It has been a rough week, to say the least, and I just wanted to compare my portfolio to SPY. So SPY on the 1 month is down 1.46%, and I am down about 1%. On the 3 months, I am down, actually that's 1 month, and down 2%. So I'm down a little more than the SPY. On the 3 month, it is down 5.8. I'm down 6. So basically in line. It does round up or round down, so I might be actually over. And on the yearly, I am at 11% up. And SPY is up 7.58%, not including dividends. So if I add those dividends in, about 1.3%, I came to the conclusion highballing about 9% up, 9.2%. So I am just narrowly on the yearly beating SPY, which is pretty cool. I don't have a 5-year. My portfolio is not 5 years old. It is. It was made in 2021. So, and through that, we've had quite a strange market. I did start investing at I would assume, not a great time. So I did just start investing after the COVID crash, and now I'm investing during another bear market. So that's actually good. I should be averaging into these stocks, and I do plan on doing that. So yeah, there you go, $71,390. Scrolling down, I don't believe Apple had earnings yet. Algonquin Power has been terrible. I'm down 56% on this position, which means it basically needs to double in order for me to get what I put in back, which, we will see. We'll see how Algonquin turns out. We'll see what the debt's looking like. I haven't looked into it yet. I should. Yeah. Alibaba down 25%. They've had a little bit of a rough week too. BlackRock down 4%. Now they did release earnings and they beat earnings. They are still down, and they did get crushed when they did release earnings. I think they're down like 4 or 5% in the day. So, damn. Damn, BlackRock. BN does not release earnings till November 9th, I believe. So I'm looking forward to that. Let's see what happens there. They talked a really big game on their investor day. So we'll see if they're actually going to live up to that mark. They've also been selling off some bad holdings, bad real estate. So I really do expect good things from BN, from Brookfield Corp. Also, they did release that you could switch Brookfield Corp to Brookfield Reinsurance. I am not switching my shares. So I did call wealthsimple. As it turns out, the automatic is that you will just keep your BN unless notified otherwise, and I am not switching my shares. I'd like to keep BN. Bank of Nova Scotia, nice, down 16%. Very cool. They do have, they have lots of investments in other countries. So, and other countries meaning China and other countries that are not doing as great. We will see what happens with Bank of Nova Scotia. I would like to average down. I just haven't picked when yet. Berkshire Hathaway, I am up 19.97%. I do have 11 shares. If this hits about $300, I will be dumping quite a large portion of my money into Berkshire Hathaway. I would like to. Let's see it. Berkshire. Caterpillar. Yeah. Dollar General actually crushed it. They did switch CEOs, and their earnings were way better than expected. I was down, I believe, about 20% on this position. I am now currently down 6%. They've had a good quarter. Very nice. Their stock may have just been absolutely crushed. That's going to happen. Dream Industrial, down 7%. REITs are getting beat up in Canada. I believe it is because of high interest rates and because they are highly leveraged companies, same as Nexus REITs, which we will get to. Dollarama, up 75% as per usual. Google beat on earnings. They beat on earnings. They have a cloud division which actually underperformed, but that cloud division is worth less than 1% of their company. So, or at least the revenue on that cloud division is less than 1% of their company. So I'm not worried for Google. So yeah, they killed it. They're seeing slowdowns. Everyone guided downwards this time. So I'd like to see these losses right now instead of trailing out over a few years. Just see them all at once. Meta, I'm up 57%. They also beat earnings. They also went down. So Meta also projecting downwards. They are saying that we're not going to make as much money year over year because of hard times, and also the Reality Labs. They are still blowing through lots of money on Reality Labs. I'm not a huge fan, but it's something that I bought into. So nice, good job, Meta. Keep it up. Manulife Financial up 4%. Microsoft did release earnings, and everyone's saying they're taking market share from Google on the cloud basis, and they are. But I'm up 25% on Microsoft. They were beaten up quite bad a little while back too. The AI boom has helped this company quite a lot, so I'd hate to see all that disappear all at once. NEWT, I am down 41%. That's actually better than it used to be. So we're still getting dividends. We're just sitting on NEWT. Nexus REITs down 33%. That's not the most it's been down, but it is down quite a lot. I should be looking at it. The payout ratio was quite extensive last I seen. I should be looking at when they post their quarterlies. I will be looking at Nexus REITs. If I can average in, it'll probably be in a small way, but I'll probably throw a couple dollars at Nexus REITs if I think that it's worth it. RY down 5%. Damn. VIG, we're going to skip over. Smart Center REITs, I'm down 27%. That is not a very good holding. Again, Canadian REITs having a bad day. VIG, down 5%. That is just another ETF that I hold. Walmart up 21%. I don't know when they release their quarterlies, but I can't imagine it doing terribly great. I'd like to see how they have kept up with other stores like Dollar General and how they're stopping theft. So we will see. America's a weird place, and that's where they get most of their money. And I'd hate to see Walmart have people stealing all of my investment away. XEQT, I have 542 shares. I'm down 3.5%. I'm not averaging into it yet. If it hit, again, if Berkshire Hathaway drops, I expect XEQT to drop. Maybe not equally as much, but I expect them to be having a bad day as well. So I will be likely adding to that position if I see Berkshire Hathaway drop to where I want. If I see that, I will be offloading quite a lot of money into both XEQT and Berkshire Hathaway. Anyways, guys, yeah, earnings did end up being pretty alright for me. Yeah, I can't complain. It's not the worst. I'd like to see, my all-time after 5 years be a little more smoothed out to the upside. But we will see. This is the investment choice is picking singular stocks for higher volatility, for higher return, and that is what that's the dream, isn't it? Earn more than VFV. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye now.